Hi everyone, this is Adedayo, and on today's episode, we'll be learning some basic KORG acronyms. Let's go. So first of all, let's talk about PROG. Some people call it PROG. It's referred to as program, and it's a single sound patch. COMBI, on the other hand, is combination, which is a multiple programs layered. SEQ is called sequencer, pretty much to make music. Next is SNG, referred to as song. It's a song in a sequencer. Up next is setlist. Setlist is a performance list for live use, which is mostly used by session musicians. Style is an auto accompaniment pattern. Now let's move to sampling and audio, where we have different acronyms as well. We have PCM, called the pulse code modulation for sample-based sounds. We have KSC, which is called KORG sample collection. We have KSF, which is called the KORG sample file. We have KMP, which is the KORG multi-sample. We have wave audio file. We have MP3, which is MPEG, MPEG, like some people call it, MPEG audio layer 3. Yep.